people doing? Today we're going to talk about a story which appears in the Dhammapada of the Tipitaka, and this pertains to the times of the Buddha. It so happened that Buddha was staying at the Jetwana monastery when this happened, and there was a bhikkhu, monk by the name of Kodadhana. Now Kodadhana, when he was admitted into the order, he became a monk. At that time, people could see an image of a woman following him. So wherever he would go, people could see it, but Kodadhana was unaware that there was such an image of a woman following him, like a shadow she was following him. It so happened that he went on alms round, and people would see the woman following him and they would give something extra. They would say, "This is for the woman who is with you." So he would not understand and he would just go about his normal duties. The other bhikkhus noticed the woman following him and they went and complained to the king, King Pasendi of Kosala, and they told him that this is a bhikkhu who has no moral values. There is a woman who keeps following him. So the king also wanted to find out for himself whether this is the truth. So he came to the monastery and he saw the bhikkhu there, and the bhikkhu bowed down with respect to the king, and then king said, "Ki, I want to meet you." So then he said, "Okay, no issue, no problem." So he took him to his room. In the room, the king could not see any woman. Then when he came out, the bhikkhu came out of the room, then the king could see the woman who was following him. But then he questioned the bhikkhu, and the bhikkhu did not, Kodadhana said, "I don't know anything about it." He was convinced that Kodadhana does not know anything about this woman, and he invited the bhikkhu to come to the palace for alms every day. When this incident reached the other bhikkhus, they started rebuking this Kodadhana, and they started saying that you are immoral and there is a woman who keeps following you, and the king is also now in your side. So Kodadhana did not say, he said, "It is you who are seeing the woman, I am not, so you all are at fault." When the entire episode was recited to the Buddha, then the Buddha called the bhikkhus and Kodadhana there and listened to the whole episode. Then he asked Kodadhana, he said, "I do not know anything about this woman." So then the Buddha explained to the monks that in his earlier existence, Kodadhana was responsible for creating a rift between two monks in his earlier birth by impersonating a woman and following one of the monks, and that's why in this existence he was followed by an image of a woman. Then he advised Kodadhana that you continue with your work, be like a gong, like a gong which has no rim. Keep silent and you will realize Nibbana. And then he said the following in Pali. Ma vocha farusam kanchi vuttapativ deyutam dukka hi saramba kakata patidanda fusseyutam, which means do not speak harshly to anyone. Those who are thus spoken to will retort. Malicious talk is indeed the cause of trouble, dukkha, and retribution will come back to you. He further said, "Sache neresi attanam kamaso uppahato yata esapattosi nibbanam sarambo tena vajjati." That means if you keep yourself calm and quiet, like a broken gong which is no longer resonant, so there is no noise coming from that gong, you are sure to realize Nibbana. There will be no harshness in you. When we look at this Pali Sutta and also the story, we come to know we always respond to whatever talks which come to us immediately. So one should think about it, one should go about it quietly, calmly, and then only one can reflect as to why things are happening in a particular way. May all beings be happy.